Okay, so my name is Dave Chan, and in 1966 I factory ordered a high performance 4-speed, and that's what I drove around as a kid. And I had to return to my childhood, so this is a 65 Valient, which is very similar to the 66. I had it converted, it was an automatic, I had it converted to 4-speed, and the rest is history. Been driving it for 5 years and I still love it. So that was, it's totally stock, and I have the stock engine for it at home, but this is a built 360, and it goes really quite good. So,